Hi everyone, I'm Felix Mercado, founder and CEO of MSquared Real Estate Group. This is our Q&A series where you guys get to ask me questions and I give you the answers. So the next question that I was asked was what inspired me to create and launch MSquaredRE? Well, I was inspired by my experience of becoming a new home buyer, where the first house that I ever bought, I knew nothing about what I was doing. And I was actually learning along the way, and it was quite scary, quite intimidating. Finding a lender, which I didn't realize I had to be lender pre-approved. Finding a real estate agent, someone that I didn't know that I was gonna have to trust with this very important transaction. And then getting from the process of the loan review, the loan processing, and then the underwriting, getting through that into the closing table, I honestly was numb by the time I got to the closing table. I didn't know what I had said yes to or provided over those 30 or 45 days leading up to closing. And then here I am at closing and they're explaining things to me and I didn't know what I was signing or I didn't know what I was doing. I just knew that I was gonna get keys in my hand at the end of that transaction, which I did. But what inspired me to create MSquaredRE were my customers, because I really never had an idea or a plan of getting into real estate. Real estate got into me. And so I realized that the people that I was talking to had the same angst, the same concern. How do I trust you if I don't know you? So having to break the ice almost immediately and convince them why I was the right individual to help them take this leap of faith and make the most expensive purchase probably of their lifetime. I realized that I needed to also educate my customer. So by educating myself and growing the business, I had to educate the customer and make them feel confident and empowered that every decision that they were making along the way was an informed decision. Taking the time to understand who they are, taking the time to explain, taking the time to listen, so this way I can provide them with the updates and the explanations that they need to feel comfortable working with a stranger, and also then ultimately referring that individual. So what inspired me? People, you. What's inspiring me to grow this is knowing that there are so many people like me, so many people like you out there that can use the help. And this starts with us wanting to really help everyone we can become a homeowner and an empowered homeowner. And also share that excitement with their friends and family, and who knows, maybe inspire them to become homeowners, working with us, of course. So yeah, that's what inspired me to grow and develop and prove the concept of MSquaredRE.com.